Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to export STL files in FreeCAD. If you're preparing a model for three-dimensional printing, prototyping, or sharing with other CAD and slicing software, exporting an STL file is one of the most important final steps. So let's get started. First, open FreeCAD and load the project containing the model you want to export. Before creating the STL file, take a moment to inspect your design and make sure everything is complete and error-free. Next, locate the model in the project tree and select the body, part, or solid object you want to export. Make sure you're selecting the final geometry rather than an individual sketch or construction element. If the model doesn't look correct, return to FreeCAD, make the necessary adjustments, and export the STL file again. Taking time to verify the file can help prevent printing problems later. For the best results, ensure your model is a valid solid body before exporting. Properly closed geometry usually produces cleaner and more reliable STL files. Once everything looks good, your STL file is ready to use for three-dimensional printing, sharing, or importing into other compatible software. And that's how to export STL files in FreeCAD. By following these steps, you can quickly prepare your designs for printing and ensure your models are ready for the next stage of production. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.